Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable showing content from notes in the Siri Search on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down and tap on Notes. Once you are here, you want to go to Siri Search, and as you can see here from the factory settings, while searching, you are going to have both options enabled right here. So the show up in search, what it does, we have another video on our channel how to enable it or disable. So be pleased to search for that video, and you have the show content in search. So what it means, now let me open the notes, and as you can see, today I have created a new note about the Pixel 7 Pro. It's a nice phone, to be honest, but it is just the note from the for the test. So now let me go to the Siri and search and now type the Pixel 7 Pro. So now the top hit, as you can see, is a note that is named by that name, as you can see. So let's say I don't want to have the content from the notes be available in the Siri search. So now let me go to the settings again, Siri and search from the notes, and now turn this feature off. So what it does, right now I'm going to type the Pixel 7 Pro again, and now as you can see, nothing from the notes is right now in the Siri search. So again, let me turn this feature on, type it again. We do not have it right now, so let me just go again. It is not showing me from the notes, so let me just refresh it again, go to the search. It is not showing, I don't know why. Let me just check it, go to the notes, Siri and search. Show content and search is on. Maybe it is bugged for now. It should now show me. It is not showing me this note. It is right here, but it is not working. Maybe now. Now, as you can see, it maybe needed some time to work, but now, as you can see, we have this note in the Siri search, and now we should not have it available again. We do not have it, as you can see. So this is it. This is how you can enable or disable showing content in the search from notes on iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.